On the rugged paths of the wild, where dawn gently unveils a new day, a special journey begins. Following in the footsteps of seasoned hunters, we will witness the blend of skill, patience, and courage in a confrontation with one of the most intelligent and powerful creatures of the forest, the wild boar. A gunshot shatters the silence. The bullet has found its mark, but the wild boar's fierce vitality drives it to keep fighting, desperately trying to escape. Experience and determination prevailed. The wild boar collapsed. Just a few minutes after the hunting dogs began the chase, a herd of wild boars appeared within sight.
Coming.
Following a well-practiced strategy, as soon as the herd of wild boars broke free from the initial ambush, they immediately fell into the trap of another group of hunters lying in wait along their escape route.
Harika. Çekiyorum. Alalım abi.
Patience paid off. Another pair of wild boars emerged. Accurate shots rang out, and the wild boars fell, tumbling down the hillside. Under the blazing sun, the wild boar rested leisurely in its familiar hiding spot. The tall reeds and dense foliage became a challenge, but the hunting dogs remained undeterred. And when the boar was driven into an open space, the hunter with swift agility would not miss the chance. The hunt goes on as the hunting team spots a large herd of wild boars moving across the hillside. Clear evidence of the unchecked population explosion of these resilient creatures in the mountainous wilderness.
Düştü.
Düşecek tabii ya. Düşecek tabii. Bir daha kaldı.
Süper.
A series of shots were fired with the aim of taking down as many targets as possible. But at a considerable distance, this became a significant challenge to the hunter's accuracy and skill.
Selam, şarjör versene oradan bana.
The abundance of wild boars in this area is a testament to a balanced ecosystem, but it also poses challenges for management. As the wild boar population grows uncontrollably, the damage they cause intensifies, threatening to disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem.
Öndekine bakayım. Vurdu.
After letting a wild boar slip through their grasp, the hunters decided to regroup and rest, recovering their strength and spirits, while giving their hunting dogs time to recover before facing the next battle ahead. The hunting team moved higher up to search for their target. They used scopes to aid in their search. And there it is, the target has appeared. Despite the considerable distance and the swirling winds through the canyons, the hunters armed with experience and modern weaponry still managed to take down each target with precision. Following the signals from the hunting dogs, a massive wild boar suddenly burst out from the undergrowth. Without hesitation, a flurry of gunshots was immediately unleashed.
Osman abi.
Yürü kes lan oğlu.
As the day draws to a close and the hunters prepare to end their journey, the wilderness returns to its majestic and tranquil state. The rifle stands silently, both a symbol of confrontation and a reminder of mankind's bond with nature. Overhead, an eagle soars freely across the sky, a silent testament to the timeless spirit of the wild. The hunt may be over, but the story of life, instinct, and the deep connection between humans and nature will endure forever.